To get started, head over to the website app.grass.io. Register yourself an account using your email and log in. Once you have logged in, you'll be able to see your dashboard. It should show disconnected on the right. You need to add the official Grass Chrome extension to get you started earning points for the next airdrop. I'll show that to you later. This is your rewards page. Here, you should link your email, wallet, and verify your wallet. This is a very important step to be eligible for the airdrop. Do not miss this. You can use any Solana wallet. I recommend the Phantom wallet. If you have no Sol to verify, I'll send you some crypto. Drop me a message on the Telegram ID given in the description. If you want to double your points earned, you can install the Grass desktop app. If you want to check your eligibility, head over to grassfoundation.io and check eligibility. It should show not eligible because this is for the Phase 1 and Phase 1 has already ended. Now, let's farm and earn more points for Phase 2. This is the Grass Lite node that I told you about. Add this to your extension and log in with your account to start earning points. Let me also show you the Grass desktop app, which lets you earn 2 times points. Like I have said, Phase 1 have already ended. Here you can see the points I have earned in Phase 1. Phase 2 have just started, and you are not late.